Welcome. Now we will discuss scalar control of cycloconverter fed synchronous motor drive. So, basically in synchronous motor the power factor can be the any desired value and power factor is depends upon the excitation or the field current. So, particularly in high power synchronous motors, unity power factor is most important because of high power rating. Reactive power will also will be substantial even if the power factor is different from unity. So, unity power factor is the most desirable, and high power synchronous motors are also controlled through cycloconverter. That is because cycloconverter uses large number of thyristors. So, when the motor power rating is high, cycloconverter is used, and high power synchronous motors are controlled through cycloconverter. Further, in cycloconverter, the output frequency is limited to 2/3 of the supply frequency. So, for it is suitable for low speed application and high power application, and unity power factor is used for the wound field synchronous motors. So, these type of drives, unity power factor operation of high power cycloconverter fed synchronous motor drives has certain applications. Applications are cement mills, mine hoists, rolling mills, etc. Cycloconverter drive control is similar to voltage source inverter fed drives. For high performance applications, where very fast response is required, vector control is used. Otherwise, scalar control with unity power factor operation is used. So, now we will draw the scheme of cycloconverter fed synchronous motor drive with scalar control at unity power factor. The scheme is like this. So, first for speed control, we have a desired speed omega r star and actual motor speed compared and processed through a speed controller. This is the speed controller G. Then speed controller output is basically it has to control the torque. So, for that we have to control the current and voltage. So, the stator current I s star hat is generated. This is the stator current. And also the phase angle of the current phi star hat. These are the inputs to the amplitude or phase shifter. So, this amplitude or phase shifter, it gives the three phase current commands I A star, I B star and I C star to the cycloconverter. Cycloconverter has the parts input three phase supply input and it provides variable voltage, variable frequency output to the motor. In the motor shaft, so there is a position sensor, so this from the position sensor it goes to encoder. Encoder generates the unit vector, that is cos theta e and sin theta e, and also it generates the actual rotor speed omega r. So, from this block we generate the control voltages U A, U B and U C. We have a function generator which generates the phase angle of the current command phi star hat, phi star dash with I s star. So, this I s star that is generated by the controller, it goes here and determines the phase angle phi star hat, and also this another block that generates field current command I f star field current command from the stator current command I s star hat. For the synchronous motor field, it is controlled through a converter and this is the field control circuit alpha. So, this is the scheme of the unity power factor cycloconverter fed synchronous motor drive. So, this amplitude phase shifter, it takes the command value of the stator current and I s star and its phase angle phi star command values. From that, using the unit vectors U A, U B, U C, 3 phase unity signals, it generates the 3 phase current commands I A star, I B star, I C star, which goes to the cycloconverter circuit to control the current. And this U A, U B, U C are the generated from the unit vector signal cos theta e and sin theta e, that comes from the encoder. This is the scheme of the cycloconverter controlled for unity power factor. So, the features of this drive is, this drive is a position sensor based self control drive. For unity power factor operation, phasor diagram is shown below. The phasor diagram is like this. The locus of the stator flux linkage is a circle. So, the radius is stator flux linkage psi s, and this is psi f field flux, and this is psi a, which is stator self inductance L s times stator current I s, L s I s, and V s stator voltage is perpendicular to the stator flux linkage psi s, and this is stator current I s. So, this is for unity power factor. V s and I s stator voltages and currents are in phase, and psi s is lagging 90° behind V s when the stator resistance is neglected. There is a, because in large power motors resistance is negligible, and I s and stator reaction flux psi a is L s into I s in same phase with I s, and psi f is the field flux linkage. So, that psi f plus psi a is psi s. Now, the angle, this is the angle phi dash, this is the angle phi dash that is to be controlled, that is also the phase angle of the stator current I s, because stator current is also a phasor in, and psi a and I s are in same phase. This is also phase angle of the phi dash of the angle of the stator current. Suppose at a some different field flux, different field current. So, this is psi s, new another value of psi s, psi s 2 let us write, and this is corresponding field current has to be like this, psi f 2, and this is the psi a 2. Okay. So, that now this is V s 2, which is perpendicular to psi s 2, and I s 2 is in same direction. This is another value. So, like that. So, when field current is given by such that the field flux linkage is psi f, then the stator current voltage I s are V s and I s are shown. When the field flux linkage becomes psi f 2, then corresponding current is I s 2 and voltage is V s 2. So, this way the current, the phase angles and the field currents are generated as a function of stator current command I s star as a function. So, this is phi star phi dash, and this is the angle pi by 2, and also the field current is shown here I f star. Field current command are generated, field current command I f star, and it phase angle of the stator current phi star dash are generated as a function of stator current command using a function generators like this. So, the angle phi dash is pi by 2 plus delta. So, magnitude of psi s phasor is constant irrespective of speed. Its phase position varies with the starter current IES. As we have seen in the phasor diagram, two cases we have shown. So, for magnitude of the psi s phasor is magnitude is constant, its phase position varies with the stator current IS because the phasor because of the phasor locations. Locus of tip of psi s phasor describes a circle. Angle, phase angle phi dash and field current IF are described graphically as function of stator current IS. Any saturation effect in field flux phi f can be included in the IF function generator. Which we have shown in the previous slide. The error in the speed control loop generates the stator current command IS star. IS star is the principal variable control variable in this scheme. the in phase stator current is proportional to the developed torque. Other control variables: phi dash star and IF star. These are the other control variables. These are generated from stator current command IS star through respective function generators. The position sensor and encoder provide the sinusoidally varying unit signals cos theta e, sin theta e and speed omega r. The cos theta e wave is aligned to be in phase with the psi f space phasor. Two phase unit signals cos theta e and sin theta e are converted to three phase unit signals as UA, that is cos theta e, UB is cosine of theta e minus 2 pi by 3, that is minus half cos theta e plus root 3 by 2 sin theta e, and UC is cosine of theta e plus 2 pi by 3, that is minus half cos theta e minus root 3 by 2 sin theta e. each of the 3-phase unit signals UA, UB, UC is then multiplied with magnitude, that is stator current command hat, and phase shifted by the angle phi dash star to generate the phase current command. Command signals. So, it is like this. IA star is IS star hat into UA at an vector is angle is phi dash star. IB star, its magnitude is IS star hat, UB angle is phi star dash, and stator current I, stator current command IC star is IA star hat into unit signal UC angle is also phi star dash. So, this is how the unit current commands are generated, and this drive can give motoring as well as generating. So, phasor diagram for regeneration. This is the field flux linkage psi F. This is stator voltage Vs. This is stator current Is. Unity power factor operation for generation. This is psi S, which is psi F plus psi A, which is Ls into Is. This is the phasor diagram for regeneration. So, the main important advantage of this drive is it can give unity power factor operation and speed control, but point is this drive has a sluggish response. This drive has sluggish response. That is the main demerit of this drive. Thanks for the attention.